Hello, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to create outfit on Shein. Firstly, open Shein on your device. Then go to the Me tab in your bottom right corner and click Gals. Next, press the Create button located at the bottom of the page and select Outfit. Then you need to pick up the style, the type of contest you want to participate in, for example this one. And here you can start creating your outfit. For your convenience, you can expand the list of categories by clicking arrow icon. And here you can see all the categories. Then from the category, you can select the type of clothing you want to include in your outfit. And the selected outfit will be placed in the set of preview. Here, using your finger, you can move your outfit whatever you want. You can adjust your size and rotation. Then when you're done, you need to press Next button. And here, in the Publications tab, provide the title of your outfit and you can mark the matching hashtags. When the outfit is completed, press the Publish button to share it. I hope this video helps. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.